Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to join Roblox private server links on mobile. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do is to obtain the private server link. So to get this, you have to ensure you have the correct private server link. So this link is typically shared by the server owner or through the platform like Discord. Then after that, you have to open the link. So to open the link, you have two options. So the first option is to directly tap the link. After that, tap on the private server link. It should redirect you to the Roblox app. Then open this private server. Then the next option is to use a browser. So to do this, copy the private link. Then open a mobile browser, for example, Chrome or Safari. Then paste the link into the browser's address bar and go to the page. Then you may be prompted to open the link in the Roblox app to confirm and proceed. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.